Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Geometric progression. Let us learn how to find the sum of n terms of a GP. We have the formula Sn equal to a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r if r is less than 1. And Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. Here a is the first term and r is the ratio. So if the ratio is less than 1, we use this first formula, and if the ratio is greater than 1, then we use this second formula. Now let us see the problems. Find the sum of first n terms of the GP. First subdivision 5, minus 3, 9 by 5, minus 27 by 25, etc. Here the first number a is equal to 5 and the ratio r equal to second term divided by first term, that is minus 3 divided by 5. This is less than 1. So we use the formula Sn equal to a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Now substitute the values. This is equal to a value is 5 into 1 minus r value minus 3 by 5 whole power n divided by 1 minus r value minus 3 by 5. Now just to simplify the denominator numbers only. This numerator bracket remains same. We cannot simplify this because here we have whole power n term. Now see the denominator. This is minus into minus plus. So 1 plus 3 by 5. Taking LCM, 5 plus 3, 8 by 5. Now this denominator 8 by 5, take reciprocal and write, that is 5 by 8. Already in numerator we have 5. So 5 into 5, 25 by 8 into bracket 1 minus 3 by 5 whole power n. Here note that this numerator bracket remains same in all the steps till the last answer. So just to simplify the denominator numbers only. Similarly, second subdivision 256, 64, 16, etc. Here the first number a equal to 256. And for this ratio r, we can take second term divided by first term, and also we can take third term divided by second term. The ratio is same only. So here I am taking third term divided by second term, that is 16 divided by 64. Cancel this, we get 1 by 4. This is less than 1. 1 by 4 is a fraction number, that is 0.25, which is less than 1. So that means we can use the same formula Sn equal to a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Now substitute the values. A is 256 into 1 minus r value 1 by 4 power n divided by 1 minus r value 1 by 4. Now this numerator bracket remains same. Simplify the denominator numbers only. So 1 minus 1 by 4 is, taking LCM, we get 3 by 4. Now this take reciprocal and write, If we take reciprocal, this 4 goes to the numerator. So multiply this numerator number. 4 into 256 is 1024 divided by 3 into this bracket is same 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power n. This is the answer. Next problem, find the sum to n terms of the series 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus etc. up to n terms. So take Sn equal to 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus etc. up to n terms. Here take 3 common outside. So we get 3 into 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus etc. up to n terms. Now we use the method multiply and divide by 9. See this, multiply by 9. So we multiply all the terms by 9. So 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus etc. n terms. Divide by 9, we write it common outside, whole divided by 9. And now this outer number 3 by 9 is 1 by 3 into, see this bracket, this number 9 can be taken as 10 minus 1 plus this 99 can be taken as 100 minus 1 plus this 999 can be taken as 1000 minus 1 plus etc. n terms. Now we can separate this 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus etc. up to n terms. So that is 10 plus 100 is 10 square plus 1000 is 10 cube plus etc. up to n terms. And this minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 we have n times, that is minus n. And note that if we have minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 3 times, then it is minus 3. Similarly, if we have 4 times, then it is minus 4. Here there are n terms, so we write minus n. Now we can observe that this bracket is in GP, and so we can use the formula. So note that in the given question, immediately we can't use the formula because this is not in GP. So remember the steps, just take 3 common outside, we get 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus etc. This is also not in GP because the ratio is not same. So that is why we use the method multiply and divide by 9. So multiply all the numbers by 9, divide by 9, we write it outside. And this 9 is 10 minus 1, 99 is 100 minus 1 plus etc. And now separate the 10, 10 square, 10 cube terms, we get the GP. Now this bracket we can use GP formula. Here A is 10 and the ratio R is 10, which is greater than 1. Therefore we use the formula Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So now see the next step. This is equal to outside number 1 by 3 into, only for this bracket we use this formula A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. That is A value 10 into R value 10. So 10 power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. And then the next term minus n. So now this is equal to, the final answer is 1 by 3 into 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by this 10 minus 1 is 9 minus n. Next problem, find the sum to n terms of the series 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 plus etc. up to n terms. So let us take the given Sn equal to 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 plus etc. up to n terms. So the given is not in GP, so we cannot use the formula directly. We have to simplify this. First take 4 common outside. We get 4 into 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 plus etc. up to n terms. Next see the method. It's same like previous sum. We multiply and divide by 9. So we multiply by 9 all the terms inside the bracket, that is 0.9 plus 0.99 plus 0.999 plus etc. n terms. Divide by 9, we write it outside. Next step, outside number 4 by 9 into this first term 0.9 can be taken as 9 by 10 plus this second term 0.99 is 99 by 100 plus this third term 0.999 is 999 divided by 1000 plus etc. up to n terms. Next step, outside number 4 by 9 into this 9 by 10 is 1 minus 1 by 10. So if we take LCM, we get 10 minus 1, that is 9 by 10. Similarly, this 99 by 100 is 1 minus 1 by 100. Similarly, this 999 by 1000 also 1 minus 1 by 1000 plus etc. up to n terms. Now this is equal to 4 by 9 into, see the number 1 plus 1 plus 1 etc. up to n terms, that is n. So adding 1 plus 1 2 times we get 2. Adding 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 times we get 3. So adding 1 plus 1 plus 1 etc. n times we get n. Take minus common outside. So minus of, we get the number 1 by 10 plus 1 by 100 is 1 by 10 square plus 1 by 1000 is 1 by 10 cube plus etc. up to n terms. Now for this bracket we can use the GP formula because this is in GP. Here the first term A is equal to 1 by 10 and the ratio R is equal to 1 by 10. The ratio is less than 1, so we use the summation formula Sn equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. So see the next step, that is equal to outside number 4 by 9 into n minus, for this bracket only we use the formula A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. A value 1 by 10 into 1 minus R value 1 by 10 whole power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 10. Next step, 4 by 9 into n minus, this numerator is same, this denominator take LCM, we get 9 by 10. Now we can cancel denominator number 10 and 10 and so we get the final answer 4 by 9 into n minus 1 by 9 into 1 minus 1 by 10 whole power n. Thanks for watching.